everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the super flip pattern on a 5x5, and it looks really cool. It looks especially cool in really big cubes like 7x7 or 9x9 or 11x11, and it looks better on odd. I think you can only do it on odd, like odd. So the amount of side, you guys get what I mean, like 3x3, 1x1, they're all odd. And so the amount of pieces on one side, the amount of them is odd. So 5, that's odd. So the super flip pattern only works on odd numbered sides. And so this pattern basically is really, really easy to do. So you can start off on absolutely any side, it doesn't matter because the result is going to be the same. So you're going to take the middle 3 layers, the vertically middle 3 layers, and push them up like that. Next, you're going to take the top layer and turn it clockwise. Take the top layer and turn it clockwise. And then you're going to repeat that again. So that was once, you're going to do it 4 times in total. So we've done it once. So take the middle 3 layers and push it up. Next, then turn the top clockwise. So that's 2 times. Let's do it again. 3 times. Let's do it again. 4 times. Okay, now once we've done 4 times, we need to turn the cube. So we need to turn it forward, and then we need to turn it right. And then, so you need to make sure that's exact. So you did exactly what I just said, and we're gonna do the exact same thing 4 times. So turn these 3 up, and then top one clockwise. So that's 1, and then that's 2, and then 3, and then 4. And then we need to do that again. So turn it forward, and then turn it to the right. Okay, so that is these 3 up, and this is the final time. So these 3 up, and top clockwise. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there you go. You're now halfway through to doing the super flip. So far what we've done is we've gotten this color. And, well, we've basically swapped these edges around. So kind of like, so we've gotten this color and put it on those 3 sides. So gotten this color and put it on that side. And now we're going to continue doing the rest of the super flip. So, well, you really shouldn't have messed up your position. But I did it, so that's bad, but I can retrace my steps. So I started off with that at the top and that in front, and then I had to turn it like that, and then I had to turn it like that, and then I had to turn it once more, I think. And, oh, okay, so now you should basically be in the same starting position as you first were. And then you're going to continue the algorithm. So this time it's only 1 middle layer vertically upwards, so turn that up. And then turn the top 2 layers clockwise. So up, clockwise, and up, clockwise. So you need to do that 4 times in total. Sorry, I forgot to mention. So 4 times in total. And then you're going to turn it forward, and then turn it to the side, and keep doing it. So let's, come on, turn, please turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we need to turn it forward, and then turn it to the side. And then do it once more. So, up, across, 1, up, across, 2, up, across, 3, up, across, 4. And there you go, you've now done the super flip. So basically what this does is it takes this color, so whatever color was on the side, and puts it in these 3 positions. Okay, sorry for the break. So it takes this color and puts it in these 3 positions, takes this color, so this color in the center, and puts it in those 3 positions. So it kind of swaps them around, and then on this side it does the same thing. Takes this color, puts it here, takes this color, puts it there, and the same for every single face. So it looks really, really, really cool. And especially, it looks so cool on big cubes. So that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.